Now the another thing is the very important high voltage wires. Normally it's orange in color, so we can identify from it the orange color wire. So what will happen if we are going to check this wire? Just we have need to insulator meter, so insulator tester or insulator meter. Normally we can put and check the insulation. That means if the four different wires are coming from the OBC or from the battery or from the motor, it should not connect to a surrounding insulation. It should not short it to them, or there should not be any kind of you can say conductivity between from this area to this area, or this area to this area, or this anywhere. This should not connect. So while testing we can use the meter, that is uh, you can say the insulation tester while we insulating the system. And you are going to test this is the meter just which I already make for you in order to test or analyze the things. Okay, this is the area where we will put the meter probes on 1000 voltage, meanings this meter will create 1000 volt from these wires in order to test if the voltage is leaking or not. That's called the insulation meter, insulation tester. So it can check the insulation between this point to this point or the surrounding points. So what we will do, just we put the high or the props from positive props in that area and negative prop on that area. This is the special prop for this meter, in which it has the one trigger button. Normally if the trigger button is not working, no problem, nothing worries. We can use this tester button over here, so we can put test, so the current will pass through and it will check and give the resistance. If one wire from here or goes toward this point, okay, and that wire which is from here, which goes from here to that point. So we will just put this on 1000 and press the button test. Then it will give the reading 20.0 gigaohms, which means it has huge resistance. Okay, it is not connected. If there is no resistance, it will give that reading. If it is connected to each other, means if there is any resistance, so the reading should be 0 gigaohms or something. The readings like 0.005 gigaohms, like that, means there is something readings. In open circuit or in open area, there should be a huge or big resistance which is the greater than 20.0 gigaohms. If you will do not touch from here to here, means the probes are in open, so you can put the button test. It will do the same readings like 20.0 gigaohms. That is the means the almost open circuit. This is the very important test while we are working in the EV vehicles, because we are facing too many problems regarding these wires in rainy or in any kind of flooding. This wire is going to damage normally. So it is really important to test from insulation tester to get the resistance from this. Thank you for watching.